Good morning. I know it has been a very long time since we made a Tip Talk video, but life is crazy, and so it is what it is. But we have something very exciting to tell you about today. You may notice our sign woman in the back
Our experienced sign spinner,
Listen,
Laura.
It's a low-paying job. What can I say? We have a book fair coming up, and we're super excited. It's not happening this week, and it's not happening next week. It's happening right before spring break.
Yes. We thought, what a perfect way to lead up to spring break by doing a big event we've never done before. Yay! Yes, we have literally never had a book fair, but several students have asked us over the years, why don't you guys have a book fair? So finally, book fair, yay! March 18th through the 22nd is when we will be having the actual physical book fair in the library.
Yes.
The first day is going to be just a looky day, just a preview day. And then Tuesday, we're going to start off at 8:30 in the morning. You can come in and you can buy stuff. You can come in on your own, or you can come with class. Your teacher would want to bring you if you were going to come with your whole class. So if you really want your teacher to bring you, say, hey sign up to bring us to the book fair because I really, really want to go. Okay?
Do it whitey like that, too. Teachers love that.
I don't know. Maybe don't do that. Maybe just ask them nicely. If we're really good, can we please go to the book fair? And then we would love to see you there.
We would.
We're also, if you can't wait until the 18th, the online book fair starts on March 13th. Okay, so you can get a little head start. You can kind of see you can see more than what's going to actually be at the book fair. From what I understand, online you're going to have more selection than you will in the physical book fair, and that one will actually, if you run out of time and you don't get to go to the book fair, or you think later, there's something I wish I could have gotten, the online book fair goes all the way until the 26th. So if you're at home, if you're like me and you're not going anywhere for spring break, and you're like, man, I wish I had bought this at the book fair, you can go online. I'm going to put a link in Schoology and on the school website, the library part of the school website, so you can check out that online book fair as well. So one extra thing.
Yes, another piece of advice. So book fairs are great, and you may remember from elementary school, sometimes there would be a night when your parents could come in and you could drag them around the shelves and show them all the things that they didn't send you enough money to buy. We're doing that too. A Thursday night book fair family night. It's also going to be the time that we introduce you all to our new parenting collection that Miss Wheatley has been working so hard on. So it is Thursday, March 21st. It starts at 12, so if your parents work in the evenings, they can come earlier, and you can maybe join them down here if your teacher gives you permission to come down. And it runs until 6 o'clock at night. So you have plenty of time to get your parents in here. We're going to have books from birth to 100. So we should have baby books and cookbooks and young adult books and middle school books and easy chapter books.
And manga.
Yes, so there's plenty to buy. Your parent could come and buy a book for everyone in the family.
Yes, and also if you are a community member and you want to come check out the book fair, or you want to come check out the parenting collection, you're welcome to come during this time as well. If you come to the open house parent night part, you're going to come directly into the library. We're going to have the door accessible up the ramp from the outside of the library, and you can just come straight in that way, and you won't be going to the rest of the school. Just come to the library, look at the book fair, look at the children's books and the parenting books, and then you can go on your merry way.
Yes.
I ran away because I remembered that, speaking of money, they're doing this new e-wallet thing for the book fair, and what that is, it's primarily for parents to load you up with some funds, so that way you don't have to bring cash or check or card to school. Your parents can put a certain amount of money in your e-wallet. There'll be more information on this on the website. They can put money in your e-wallet, and then you can only spend that amount that they've given you. And then if you don't spend all of what they've put in there, then they only pay for what you actually spent. So parents, that's a nice way. If you're not comfortable sending cash or card or whatever to school, you can try that new e-wallet thing.
Man, that would have been nice when my kids were buying all the books.
Yeah. So there you go.
So, no, book fair. literally, we're so excited. Never having had a book fair. Well, you did one in elementary school when you were an elementary school librarian.
I didn't have to do it. The PTO did it.
Yeah, I was PTO, and I did it at my kids' school when they were younger. So it's not like we've never done a book fair or seen a book fair, but high school level book fairs just don't really exist. So we're breaking outside the box and trying something new. What we really need is your support.
Yes.
If you like it, if you're interested, you've got to come show us and buy a book or two, because otherwise we won't have any reason to do it again.
Yes.
So if this is a cool concept to you, please show your support.
And people have asked me, are you going to have the pencils and the posters and the whatever? Yeah, I figured we would have that too. We're going to have all the stuff, ideally. We may not do decorations and stuff because, I'm just not good at that. But we'll have books and we'll have stickers and we'll have things. And that's the point of the book fair, right? Is to buy the books and the stickers and the posters
you can take
and all
them
stuff.
home.
So, yes.
And enjoy
all
them.
the stuff.
Yes.
Yes.
So hopefully we'll see you. We're super excited.
Look how excited my eyebrows are.
Even her eyebrows are excited. Laura's so excited that she's creeping up on us with that beautiful sign right there. Nice work.
Okay. All right. Well, hopefully we'll see you between now and the book fair. And if not, we'll see you at the book fair.